Welcome to another beautiful month of content creation, where practically this particular month is that month that you should be serious with content creating. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It vibes and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If this is the first time you are tuning in, do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other persons to get this good news. It is another beautiful month again of August. And this month of August is the month I want to see you out there getting monetized. And now, how do we do this? What we first of all need to do is keep creating content. That is very important. A lot of people monetized last month, and if you have not monetized this month, this is the time for you to be more serious. The year is coming closer to end, and it is an opportunity to tell yourself that whether the devil like it or not, I am going to finish up this year getting monetized. But you are not only going to say that by just saying it as words, you are going to work towards it. Yesterday alone, I created over 20 different content, uploaded over 10 different content on different platforms. And I told myself that this particular August, I am going to be doing more. I am going to be pushing out more. I'm going to be creating more. Nobody should tell me that, oh, you're doing that because you are monetized. If you check on my YouTube channel, I just uploaded once. So my main focus are on my platforms that are not even monetized yet, on other social media, and so that I can get them monetized before the end of this year. And I believe that both of us can do it together, because a lot of people are discouraged because they don't even have anybody to talk to. But if you watch Vibe with Sonia's video, you should be able to encourage yourself and tell yourself that yes, you can do it. Remove your mind from the money you are going to be making first. Focus on the content. Yes, I know that all of us are here because we need this money. We need it. I can't even lie. I need it too. But focus in creating content. Focus in putting out value. Focus in looking out for what is actually happening, what people are really doing to benefit, and what you can also do to benefit. Content creating is a whole lot of work, and that is why in every round of your content creation journey, you have to take it serious. Even on all of my channels right now, I'm trying my possible best to put out more shorts, to put out more long videos, to put out more live stream videos. You understand? And if I can still do it as someone that is monetized, why can't you also do it as someone that is looking out for 4,000 watch hour, as someone that is looking out for 1,000 subscribers? The greatest mistake you will do for yourself is to tell yourself that, oh, I am tired of creating content. I just want to give up. See, at the end of the day, you will come back years later to regret it. 1st of August is an amazing month for every single person out there to take content creation serious. I keep telling you guys, tell yourself that if Vibe with Sonia can do it, you can do it. There is nobody that cannot make it down here. See, the subscribers I have, you can come back and surpass my subscribers. Share ideas with other content creators. Check out for what they are doing that is doing well for them. Research on your niche. Research your competitors. These are mistakes a lot of people are making. You and your competitors, you want to do video about finance, and at the end of the day, you're seeing that this person thumbnail is doing well more than you. Why not start researching on how you can create those kind of beautiful thumbnails? You don't need to say, oh, I don't have a good gadget. I don't have this. I don't have that. And that's why I'm not creating content. I have a very good camera, but as I'm filming this video, I'm filming it with just my phone. You understand? So don't give yourself those excuses that, oh, this is why you are not creating, or this is why you are yet relaxed, or this is why you are giving up. Nobody will be your encourager. Like, no, literally nobody. You are the one to encourage yourself. Then when you start making the money on YouTube, you will see that your encouragement is even getting doubled as days goes by. Do not give up. Keep pushing. Keep doing it. Tell yourself you can do it. 1,000 subscribers, you can do it. 4,000 watch hour, you can do it. People are monetizing over 3-4 channels every single month. People are getting AdSense pin. So yours will never be different, especially for my diaspora friends. That you need extra side hustle, you need extra thing that can be bringing money down to your table. This is what you need. YouTube is a platform that when you invest, you will enjoy it. YouTube is a platform that when you come out with your full chest to say, oh, I'm going to put in the work here, you are definitely not going to regret it. A lot of people today are always regretting creating content because why? They feel like they don't have a place here. You have a place. Everybody have a place. YouTube is a place for everybody. Keep creating content, keep pushing content. It is 1st of August. Take your content creation serious. August 1st should not pass you by. If you're creating 2 videos, 3 videos in a week, double your hustle to 4. If you're creating one video every single week, double your hustle to creating videos every single week. Create a content calendar that can match up what you are looking at. Create a content calendar that can magnet people down to your channel. Look out for niches that are doing well, that can magnet people down to your channel. Trust me, you will not regret it. It is 1st of August, and I'll say it over and over again. If I can do it, you can do it. We can do it together, both here on YouTube, to be able to get every single thing that we are looking at for. Start creating content and thank me later. And let me just put this out there. Don't just be limited to just YouTube. Look out for other of your social media platforms and pull out videos on other of your social media platform. If this particular YouTube is not profitable on time, your other social media platform can be profitable. I saw one of my person here on YouTube. She's not yet monetized on YouTube, but she's monetized on Facebook. And I was so happy when she was like sharing that, oh, that's something that started entering gradually for her from Facebook. You understand? So if you think that this one is hard for you, as you're doing it, look out for other social media platforms so that you can invest your time into. Don't just limit it to, oh, it's just YouTube and that is it. Put your content there. Put your content on social medias. Put it on Facebook. Put it on Twitter. Put it on X is the same thing as Twitter. Put it on TikTok. Put it every single place on Instagram. You can start getting influencer job on Instagram even before you start making money on YouTube. A lot of people are getting influencer job on Instagram. They're not monetized on YouTube because they say, oh, YouTube is very hard. So share your time every single place. Put yourself every single place. You can ask a lot of people that are coming from my Facebook. They know that I don't joke. If you're coming from my TikTok, I don't. If you're coming from my Instagram, I don't joke, because every single place is an opportunity for you to make money, and that is why it is called social media. It is not just one place that you should be limited to. Keep grinding your content. See, trust me, there is no way, guy B, that you're pushing in all of this platform and one will not be paying you. One must pay you. Snapchat, one must pay you. Just do your research and see that which one can you do comfortably. Start putting your effort there. Trust me, you will not regret it. It is August. If you're not creating videos, you are wrong. If you're not creating content, you are wrong. If you're still procrastinating, you are wrong. If you're still there asking yourself, should I quit, should I not quit, you are wrong. Because when you quit, now you lose. We will keep staying here and keep showing you and rubbing it to your face that this is what we are making. And at the end of the day, you'll be like, oh, let me start all over again. Ask a lot of people that have quit 4 years ago, 5 years ago. They regret quitting, because if they would have stand still on their leg and said, no, I am still going to be pushing out my content, I'm still going to be doing whatever I'm doing, by now they would have gone far. Recreate, rebrand, renew, buy any small gadget if there is any need to. You understand? Anyway, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Drop it for me too in the comment section and tell me happy new month, because this is me coming here to like encourage you. Anyways, sign out and peace out, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.